Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the thermal paste on your Lenovo Ideapad Flex-15IIL. This is an essential maintenance task that can significantly improve your laptop's cooling efficiency. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and a lint-free cloth. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid any contamination. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be easily misplaced. Once the heatsink is removed, you will notice the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Using a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, gently wipe away the old thermal paste. Ensure that both surfaces are clean and free of any residue. This step is vital for the new thermal paste to adhere properly. Now it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Squeeze a small amount of thermal paste onto the center of the CPU and GPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Reattach the heatsink by aligning it with the screw holes and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly in place, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the components. Before closing the back panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling. Now replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any rattling or movement. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as collection and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. You should notice a significant improvement in performance and cooling efficiency. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the thermal paste on your Lenovo Ideapad Flex-15IIL. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your laptop and keep it running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.